If you're experiencing delays with your Sezzle refund, follow these steps to help resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will walk you through the process to ensure you receive your refund as soon as possible. Step 1. Check your refund status. Visit the Sezzle app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the order history section to check the status of your refund. This will give you an idea of whether the refund has been initiated or if there are any pending issues. Step 2. Review Sezzle's refund policy. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact the merchant. Reach out to the merchant from whom you made the purchase. Sometimes, the delay may be due to the merchant not processing the refund in a timely manner. Ask them for confirmation that they have initiated the refund. Step 4. Reach out to Sezzle support. If the merchant confirms the refund has been processed but you still haven't received it, contact Sezzle customer support. Provide them with your order details and any relevant information to help expedite the process. Step 5. Follow up regularly. After contacting support, keep track of your case and follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe. Persistence can help ensure your issue is prioritized to resolve quickly. By following these steps, you can effectively address any delays in receiving your Sezzle refund. If issues persist, consider escalating your concern through additional customer service channels.